Hello friends, how are you? I am fine. First, please subscribe my channel and your valuable comments. Presentation my videos today's presentation my videos and this my presentation. Search engine ranking factors. Lot of search engine ranking factors. Google use minimum 200 ranking factors. Just search on Google search bar. The Google use 200 ranking factors. The lot of available Google provide this your search engine. Just Google 200 search engine factors. Search engine factors don't need must the 200 to search, and with search engine optimization factors you better learn about the ranking factors on have. Important some search engine ranking factors presentation my videos, space on my videos, my lecture, my class, my tutorial, my motivational space. The 13 important search engine ranking factors. Number 1, content quality. Number 2, content uniqueness. Number 3, full crawlable page. Number 4, mobile optimized site. Number 6, number of backlinks. Domain authorized. Number 7, domain authorized. Number 8, site loading speed. Number 9, keyword using. Number 10, Google rank brain. Number 12, content freshness. And many more. But you can search engine the lot of provide the Google 200 rank factors the complete, and the number 1 domain factors, page level factors, site level factors, backlink factors, use internet factors, speed Google algorithm result, brain, and off-site, on-site, and off-page, on-page, web spam factors, keyword, domain registration, Google EMD update, and pricing how over, country, TDL extension, keyword in title tag, keyword in description, keyword in appends and high HI tag, TF, IDF, and control launch, table and contain, summer indexing keyword, keyword in title, description tag, LSI, page cover traffics, page loading speed. The lot of you just search and 200, but I can provide my specific points and discuss and the factors. The search engine ranking factors. Number 1, content quality. This topics is discussion. Quality content is the unlimited ranking factors. Very important part, very important topics, very important it's condition. The search engine optimization, the good result, and ranking factors, and Google number 1 top page must be use the quality content. Content is the highly and foundation of search engine optimization, the best foundation of search engine optimization. Then my videos, lot of topics, lot of lecture, lot of discussion, the content marketing, content strategy, content analysis, etc., etc. But very important part, very important points, the content quality. Quality content is the enable rank factors. you can have site that the factors optimize for search engine optimization, but you contain stick and simple rank word. When it's come to search engine optimization, those quality content look likely. Google want to contain and completely analysis some profile on industry study from their launch and content ranks about its short content. Make sure that content those are complete. They are in words. Those you contain satisfy want to use and discuss to Google search. Lists on Search Console, a point of cross, let go, the SEO, search and optimization friendly content, highly strategy, what were the important, while the strategy content easy read, which is main use, great answer, and their question fast. Second, organization your content into select help Google understand what you can able. Content uniqueness must be unique content. The must be highly Google ranking factors. The content unique. It want the to have a great picture and thought useful standard content. Regulars information that there are probably quick and real one. Google has contained with same information that indexing already when this rank use above. Need to defense better content, unique content, who you hung the completely content. Because many content provide values that not content did create, rank, and face Google completely keywords. Mobile optimized site. The search engine factor ranks it is factor of factors. Mobile optimized site. Google has site. Mobile page that provide a poor search engine. Search experience can be demo win the ranking display with warning mobile search result. Google has created to call number of backlink, search engine link building, link bring Google main server board and their use them of web page. More backlink page, great rank, search engine factors, domain authorized. A link posting, dear have who is the domain authorized, there are help and domain which is authorized. Anchor text, Google use the anchor text. Site loading speed, keyword using, going to sound like caption of their time keyword. Google Rank Brain. Google Rank Brain is a part of Google algorithms. However, the Google Brain, how now we know how the Google top 3 search ranking factors. Rank Brain main job, the factors, what are search or savor them best result in search engine. Because Rank Brain remaining learn algorithm and optimize for advanced these. Search internet match. Those you contain match on there are moment and so the content. Google close monetization then in search content. content finishing. Google does not rank to data spring. There why might be notification banned on Google template. Google want to see what can contain still review and up to data. Useness update that contain regular base, going the out of reality, Google Maps, Google Mains, Fisher, Direct, there are key can see. Also uses link building strategies and EA. First, very important points are Google factors, the search engine ranking factors, the lot of search engine ranking factors. I am some as topics discussed. Content quality, content uniqueness, fully crawlable page, mobile optimized site, number of backlinks, domain authorized, anchor tags, site loading speed, keyword use, Google Rank Brain, search internet match, content finisher. Thank you, best of luck my friend.